Hi people around the world, this is Mario Liza, and for today's video guys, this is a request from one of our subscribers to react to of course one of the talented OPM artists that we know, of course si Vaivuri. Yes, so thank you very much guys for always supporting my channel and commenting about Vaivuri, no? Talaga namang napaka-talented naman kasi niya, 'di ba? So, ito, ang song niya na ito na papakinggan natin was actually one of her recordings sa TDB pa. Wow, that's so tagal na, 'di ba? But itong video na papanoorin natin was from the He's Into Her, the Benison Boy. Okay, nanta niya pala. Okay. Wow, si Isa, naalala niyo si Isa from He's Into Her. So guys, without further ado, let's react. Oh, this kind of an emotional song ata. Oh, Vibery. So cute. Ganda. So beautiful. Oh, bakit naman ang hina? Nalungkot ako guys. Kainis. Wow, and guys, siya nagsulat nitong song na to, no? Uh, medyo natulala ako for a while kasi parang ang lungkot nung ambience, no? Nung music itself. Pero parang ano siya eh, you're trying to store the relationship na parang kaya pa, 'di ba? Wag mo nang hintayin na parang masira pa ng tuluyan. Kung pwede naman talaga na maayos, 'di ba, ang isang bagay. But well, sabi nga dun, kailangan mo ng panghugutan ng lakas just for us to have as confidence para masabi natin yung mga bagay na gusto nating sabihin, lalong-lalo na kung talagang itong person na 'to is pinapahalagahan natin at mahal natin, 'di ba? Oo. Ang lungkot naman nun 'no, Vibery, bakit mo naman ako sinasaktan? Charot, joke lang. But yeah, the music itself, talagang naramdaman ko how Vibery really sang it with her heart. Talagang sinabi niya na, alam mo yun, bakit ang tagal mo? Parang may hugot nga dito eh. Parang, guys, parang may hugot sa dito sa isa sa mga housemates niya before. Joke lang. Issue. Pero yun, wow, thank you very much for that brilliant song. Vibrant and emotional song talaga, no? So, keep it up. So, tsaka guys, ang ganda nung ano niya dito, yung makeup niya. Ang cute. So, yan guys, there you have it. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. If other Vibery related contents that you want us to react to, don't forget to comment on our comment section down below. If still new to this channel, what are you first subscribe to? Martin Elijah. Until next time, hanggang sa susunod na kabanata. Bye.